Whoa! That footprint is huge! What made it? A giant mouse? Whoa! It's a giant elephant! Can you guess all the big animals? Let's find out! What is this long nose? 3, 2, 1. Is it a snake? No! It's an elephant! What is this horn?
3,
2, a rhinoceros!
wrong!
Wow, a unicorn! No! It's a rhino! What is this big mouth? 3, 2. It's a cave! Wait, no! No! It's a...
What is this water spray? 3, 2, 1.
A giant elephant! I was way off! Whoa, you're huge! Fountain! No! It's a well!
What is this long neck? 3,
A dinosaur!
oh no, wrong!
It's a giant giraffe! It's a tree! No! It's a giraffe! Yay! A giraffe!
What is this big paw? 3,
No! It's a bear! Roar! Who is this? Laugh! Drop it! Elephant! What are these stripes? 3, 2, 1. It's a giant zebra! No, wait! A tiger! Yay! A zebra! It's a zebra! No, it's a tiger!
what is this fluffy mane? 3, 2, 1.
A giant chicken! Wow, a giant sun! No, it's a lion! Whoa, you're huge! Awesome! What are these horns? 3, 2, Whoa, it's a cow! No, it's a buffalo!
A buffalo!
What are these giant antlers? 3, 2, 1. Is that a giant's foot? No, a leg! Elephant? A snake? No, giraffe neck! Wow, they are huge! You did amazing! Elephant, triumph! Watch again and spot